Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Nixdorf
and Weston. Today we're going to make cheesy buttermilk biscuits.
The first step in any baking recipe is to preheat your oven and prepare your pan. So today we've lined our baking sheet with parchment paper. Then you're going to combine the dry ingredients in a large bowl and whisk until they are combined. We chose this recipe because there's so many options for you to choose from. You can make the recipe plain and leave it as is, or like in the case of Weston, he's decided to make cheesy buttermilk biscuits. So in step 2, we're going to add shredded cheese to our mixture. There's also variation for herb biscuits as well as sweet and spicy drop biscuits. The next step is to combine our liquid ingredients. The recipe calls for buttermilk, but if you don't have any, that's no problem. All you need is lemon juice or vinegar to add to your milk.
Why do you need lemon juice in your buttermilk?
Good question, Weston. Lemon juice and vinegar are both acids, and the acid combines with the milk, and that helps to sour it. And that soured milk combines with our baking soda and baking powder to combine like a chemical reaction.
That sounds like science.
It is. After the buttermilk has stood for about 5 minutes, you're going to add the melted butter to the mixture. Stir with a fork gently just until you start to see that small lumps of butter have started to form. Then we're going to pour all of the liquid ingredients into the dry ingredients. Stir gently to combine with a rubber spatula. Once your drop batter has combined, it's time to add your biscuits to your baking pan. You can use a few different methods. You can use your cookie scoop if you have one at home. You can use 2 spoons, or like the instructions indicate, you could use your dry measuring cup. Hold your spoon over the cookie sheet. Just lightly spray them with cooking oil so that your batter doesn't stick. Excellent job. The key is that you make them consistent sizes, and you want to make about 12. Now it's time for the best part of any baking project.
I like to bake science experiments. Yum.